Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1 hour. A rolling blackout occurs when a power company turns off electricity to selected areas to save power. The areas are selected using sophisticated computer programs and models. The blackouts are typically for 1 hour, then the power is restored and another area is turned off.
Take our lead.
Southern Brazil blackout. Southern Brazil blackout, the 11th of March 1999, affected 97 million people. For a time, this was the world's largest ever power failure. A lightning strike tripped the 440 kV circuits at a substation in São Paulo state.
Take our lead.
A rolling blackout, also referred to as rotational load shedding, feeder rotation, or a rotating outage, is an intentionally engineered electrical power shutdown in which electricity delivery is stopped for non-overlapping periods of time over different parts of the distribution region.
Take our lead.
Load shedding happens when there is not enough electricity available to meet the demand of all customers, and an electricity public utility will interrupt the energy supply to certain areas. This rotational load shedding was caused by extreme cold weather and a high demand for the power at the time.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.